Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have for you an unboxing. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is their Autumn Mini Mystery Box. So, Clear Jelly did release a couple different autumn mystery boxes. There were 3 different sizes. There was like a mini, which is what I have, and then there was 2 larger ones. And unfortunately, at the time I'm filming this, they are all sold out. I think I got lucky when I had seen them on the website and I ordered it right away because I think they went fast. I don't think they were on the website very long. And I'm not sure if they're gonna restock, but I still want to do this video, show you guys what I got. All I've done is like ripped open the tape, but I haven't looked inside, so I have no idea what's gonna be in here. But let's get into it. So as usual, they do include their little card. This is their hashtag, see where you stamp, all the information. And then Clear Jelly Stamper is a Canadian brand, so they always include like a maple candy. So it looks like we got quite a few things. Let me pull them all out and then I'll show them on camera. Okay, so pulling out right away on top, there are 2 Clear Jelly replacement heads, which is perfect. I always love having a spare one on hand. Then this, I believe, is a stamper. Yes, so this is a stamper, their Big Bling stamper. I love this stamper, and it has one head already in there, and then it has an extra one in there. So I'm actually gonna save this since I already have it. Then we have this little package. Oh, this is a scrub brush. These feel really interesting. They feel soft even though they are like plastic, but they do feel like they would really get all the dust off the nails. So it's basically 2 brushes stacked on top of each other. And then it looks like I got 4 stamping polishes. This is number 20. Which is a gold, bright yellow gold. This is 173, which is a beautiful mauve pink color. This is 148. This is almost like a burnt red brick type of a color. And this one's 166, which is a sky blue shade. So here are the 4 colors that we got. I don't believe I have any of those colors, which is nice. Looks like we got 2 mini plates. This is number 26. And this one's a sunflower and leaf plate. Pretty. And then this one is H number 38. Which is a Halloween plate. They're so cute. For this being a mini plate, there's so many cute little images on here. Oh, that is so cute. And looks like we have a medium sized plate. This is number 171. Looks kind of like a sweater weather type plate. So it does have sweater designs on it, And then lots of cozy themes, so books, reading, tea, crafting, fire. So this is a nice like fall and winter plate. And then we also have 2 large plates. This is number 309, Abstract 1. Here's what that looks like. And the newer plates come with this clear sheet, so that way you can kind of see what the pattern would look like on top of your nail. It's got some really interesting patterns. I really like these. And the eye is really interesting. It looks really realistic. And then on the back, again, with these newer plates, they have some extra images that's showing you how to layer them with different colors. That one's really interesting. I'm gonna have to play around with that one. And then the second large plate is number 320. This is fall sweater number 2. And this looks like a super fun plate. I don't believe I have any of the sweater plates. I have a couple of the plaid plates, but I don't have any of the sweater ones. So different sweater designs. And again, you can kind of use this for fall or for winter. And then we got some coffee images. We got this cute little girl. Again, these are very detailed. These newer plates are very detailed. So that's what she would look like. She's a little bit bigger, but she does fit pretty good. Coffee. There's the sweater designs. Super cool. I'm excited for this one. Next, we have one of their books. Okay, so it's one of their silver holographic books. And this one, I believe, holds the mini plates. Yes, mini plates. Let me see if it holds the medium. It might. Yes, so it does hold the medium ones as well. They're a little tight, but they do fit. So this is for the small and the medium plates. And then lastly, we do have this, which is I think is our accessory. They're cute little slip-on socks. Really lacy, pretty. They have that grip on them, which I like. Cute. I didn't know they had socks. I knew they had some accessories, maybe like some scrunchies and maybe headbands or something like that, but I guess they do have socks, so it's kind of a fun little bonus. But let me bring together everything that we got in that box. So here's an overview of everything that we got. So let me go through it again. We did get a brand new Big Bling stamper, which already has 2 stamping heads in it, plus we got another 2 extra. We got 2 large stamping plates, a medium stamping plate, 2 mini plates. We got 3 stampers. We got a plate holder, we got a scrub brush, and we got some socks. So I believe this box was about $35. I'll put the number on the screen as well as what the value is at, but I think this was well worth the $35-ish that I paid. You got a lot of different products in here. I mean, just like the plates and the stamping polishes, I would have paid the $35 for, but then we got all the other stuff on top of it as well. So I definitely think this was a great bargain. I am wondering if all of the mini boxes got exactly these items or if they kind of varied box to box. You guys will have to let me know if you were able to snag one, and I would love to see if you got one, what you got in your box. So tag me on Instagram or TikTok if you unbox your box. I would love to see what you got. And let me know your thoughts, if you thought this was a good bargain, if we got some good stuff, or if you would pass on this box. But I am very excited to play around with some of my new goodies. And this was a autumn box. We did get one Halloween stamping plate. The rest was pretty autumn. These are autumn colors, and the other stamping plates were more autumn designs. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxing videos. Make sure you're subscribed for tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.